Firstly, you'll want to rip 5 pieces at 3 inches. Then cut for pieces at 34.5 inches long. Next, cut 8 pieces at 9 inches. Glue up the short boards together in pairs to get 4 in total. I marked 2 lines at 1.5 inches in. Using a 1 1/8 inch drill bit, I drilled through both sides of the long pieces. Using the same marking gauge as before, mark each side of the small pieces. For the shorter pieces, only drill through one of the layers of plywood using the same drill bit as before. I used a cup I had around the shop to trace the rounded edges on each side of the boards. Cut 8 pieces of 1 1/8 inch wooden dowel to 1.5 inches long.